Hello, our team name is Alt-Shift-X and this is our progress report. So the outlook for this report is we'll be going over how we did our parsing, our token pattern class, and how we generate our questions, and then a brief overview of our feature plans. So to do the parsing, we used the tools of the Stanford NER tagger and NLTK, and we used Python for this. And our objectives were tokenization, NER, and POS tagging. One of the main parts to our project is the token and pattern classes. The token class encodes the part of speech and the entity type of each token. And our pattern class, it is a representation of certain patterns that we look for, such as a noun is noun. And we'll be talking more in depth about this in our written report. So to generate the questions, we first manually created certain rules such as person is at whatever adjectives location. We made sure to ignore some of the parts in between as long as we saw the entity type of person and location, whatever constants are in between, we would ignore. And then from there, we would manually create a question format. So if we were looking at person and location, our question would be, where is person at? And then we would anticipate the answer to be the location. And like this, we created other rules generally centered around who, what, where, what. And for the future, we want to figure out a more robust way of making the questions rather than manually creating all these rules. And later on, we also want to have a way to rank the questions. Right now, we don't really see a way of doing it without using machine learning. So we've been talking about incorporating machine learning, manually labeling what questions are good so that our system can learn the difference between good and bad questions. Thank you, and that was it for our progress report.